Here's a top tip. Your compost should never really smell bad. If it does start to stink, then it's probably too wet, which means it needs more space and breathing room. So add some extra dry brown materials, like sticks. Newspaper and cardboard are also good to soak it up. And if it's too dry, well, you can probably tell. There might be lots of ants in there. But all you need to do is add some more green materials or a little water to dampen it up. See? Easy fix. Compost is always about a good balance of brown and green materials.
Our school is on a mission to save the environment with compost!
At the end of each week, kids and parents bring a bunch of food scraps to our school.
We call it Food Scrap Fridays. We take all those food scraps and we put them in our compost bins.
Our family's bucket always weighs 1,000 kilograms. But that's okay, because I'm really strong. See? Told you!
It takes a lot of time to make food scraps into compost.
And when it's ready, we mix it with soil and add it to our garden.
Food Scrap Fridays have been going on for 6 years.
And since then, we've collected over 26 tons of compost from our community.
That weighs the same as 4 big elephants. We love gardening.
And we love turning waste into food for our plants.
And even though compost can be a bit stinky, it's great for our garden. And it's great for our planet!
One of the top questions I get asked all the time is, Costa, what things can I put in my compost bin? Well, I'm going to reveal the best ingredients for your compost. When it comes to composting ingredients, a good way to remember it is to think of it as 2 teams, the brown ingredients and the green ingredients. So what are brown ingredients? Sticks. How good are sticks? Sticks are great to put in first because they give our compost a good dry base. Other brown compost ingredients you can use are paper, cardboard, or even newspaper. But make sure everyone's finished reading the newspaper before you start ripping it up. Now, what are green materials? I'm glad you asked. They could be food scraps from your kitchen or plant and garden clippings from your backyard. See, anyone can grab some of these compost ingredients, so why not start your own compost today?